How could we possibly look past this release from Citizen? The new Tsuyosa models have really hit the mark, with this red-dialed NJ0150-56W being no exception. With its stunning red sunburst dial and strong design language throughout, this watch has me captivated. From the different textures in the bracelet to the gradual darkening of the dial as it reaches the hour markers, I can't take my eyes off this piece. It's a fairly simple design, however it feels confident and bold at the same time. The handset is functional yet classy, the case is sharp but clean, and overall it's very handsome. The 8210 caliber automatic movement will provide this watch with 40 hours of power reserve. To have a look at this movement, just flip the watch over to reveal the exhibition case back. This movement includes a date window at 3, and the sapphire crystal uses a cyclops to increase readability of that date window. With a 40mm diameter, this watch should fit well on most wrists. On my 17cm wrist, it fits fine, maybe a little bit big. A one-touch 3-fold clasp keeps this one firmly on your wrist, and thanks to the buttery smooth links on the bracelet, it feels really comfortable when you wear it. Case and bracelet are 100% stainless steel, so it feels nice and heavy, which automatically makes it feel more luxurious. This range of Tsuyosas from Citizen is quite extensive, and we've done a video on the blue dialed small second model, so check that one out if you haven't already. It's a fantastic range of stainless steel automatics, and I would definitely recommend any of them to anyone. Well, what do we think about this model? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit like if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.